I'm going to try to keep this video short. I ran my last long run before the race that's coming up, which is like less than a week away now. I've been training since January for this marathon. It's going to be my 9th marathon. It's going to be San Francisco Marathon. Never been to San Francisco before, but I hope that I am ready. I think I'm ready. I've been trying to focus on the terrain when I've been getting my training in. So I've really been focusing on doing a lot of hill work training, especially on Tuesdays was my designated hill training day. All through my training, it's been Tuesday Focus Hills training. Thursdays I've been working on my speed, but I pretty much followed that same pattern throughout my whole training, again, since January. So I'm really excited that my training is coming to an end for this race. I'm really excited about the race, but to be honest, I'm really excited that doing all this hill training is gonna be over. So let's see. Everything, like I said, everything was pretty much the same. Tuesday, Thursday runs were about 30 minutes long. Again, Tuesday hill training, Thursday more so speed. Fridays I did incorporate a 1 mile light run. And then the weekend runs were my long runs. Yesterday I did a 7 miler, and that's will be my longest run until next week, the 28th, which is a Sunday. I'll still be doing smaller runs, just to, keep myself in gear throughout the week. I'll keep up with my strength training Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'll probably skip strength training the Friday before the race because it's probably not going to do anything. Either way, if I work out or not, it's not going to give me any strength gains or anything. Let's probably just cancel everything out. So why not just chill? The big thing that I'm doing different right now is my nutrition. I am focusing on carb loading right now. So I'm increasing my carbs just a little bit more, just to get my macros up to about 60% carbs. Right now, well, not right now, before now, it's been around 30, I want to say. And I've been doing 35% protein and then 25% carbs for a total of 100% if anybody knows what macro counting is. So I've just bumped up my carbs just a little bit. I guess I could get into that. Anybody watching this wants to learn more about carbs and macro factoring and all that. But anyway, I'll stay clear of that for now. But just know that I did bump my carbs up about a week before the race, which is now. And hopefully that'll give my muscles a little bit more go power for the race. But all in all, really excited, happy that the race is within a week's time now. Happy to be going to San Francisco too. So stay tuned. Do like and share this video if you found it helpful. If you know somebody who you think would find it helpful, do share. And maybe I'll catch you out in these fitness running streets. I will make a video that really talks about the race and how I liked it, and maybe what I didn't like so much, but hopefully not. Hopefully I liked everything, but so do stay tuned for that. And till next time.